Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick on how to hide your private snaps on Snapchat using the My Eyes Only feature. If you've got snaps you want to keep personal, this is the feature you need to use. Let's get right into it. To set it up, here's what you do. Open Snapchat and swipe up to access memories. Tap on the My Eyes Only tab at the top. If it's your first time, you'll see a setup screen. Tap Setup. Create a 4-digit passcode. Make sure it's something only you know. Read the disclaimer. If you forget the passcode, Snapchat can't help you recover it. Confirm, and boom, your private vault is ready. Now here's how to hide a snap. In Memories, tap and hold any snap you want to hide. Tap Hide Snap, My Eyes Only. Confirm your passcode. And that's it. The snap disappears from your main memories and goes straight into your private section. Quick tips. You can move multiple snaps at once. Just tap Select, choose your snaps, then Hide. Never forget your passcode. If you lose it, those snaps are gone forever. Use a code that's secure but memorable, not your birthday. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your snaps completely private using My Eyes Only. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay private.